time for Charlie's Advent Calendar. We are on to day 12. Hope you ran out and got you one of these puppies. We're going to pull number 12 today together and see what Charlie has in store for us today. Figure out where to put that. Got my trusty scissors, but I got a tickle in my throat. Excuse me, please. I got a tickle. Tickle, tickle. What does Charlie have for us today? Ooh, look at this. Moonlight it's called. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful blue Christmas glitter. I think that's just stunning. Back to Charlie's. This is this beautiful blue glitter. And it is called Moonlight. You can get this off the website as of today, the 12th of December. I've got a nail handy. I am going to apply a base coat. Normally I put a color on the nail. I'm trying to think what blue to use because the blue that I have is already sparkly. So I'm going to pop that on the lamp. I have to find the blue because the blue I have is my Diva the bottle. And as you can see, it's already got bits and chunks in it. So, that's not a good blue. Blue. So we'll be right back. Alrighty, yep, we are here. We got this color by Beauty. This is what we're going to go with. I think this is a beautiful color. Whoops. Oh, see it going down the side of the bottle. This is off the Manhattan collection. This is P333. You can run right over and get this off Amazon. I'm going to paint our nail. These are the mini bottles. Let me see if it tells what ml. These are 5 ml. I think this is a beautiful shade. I've used it once before for something and I can't remember what. So make sure your polish is from cuticle to cuticle, or sidewall to sidewall, to cuticle to tip. Pop her in the lamp, give her a full cure. Okay, here we are. I'm now going to, there's a lot of pausing. I'm going to get some stencil glue gel by She Modern. I'm going to use this to help the glitter stick onto the nail. This is just a beautiful blue. Pop that in for 30 seconds. I'm going to be using the pour method, which means to pour my glitter over the nail. This has got some big sequiny pieces, which I'm a fine mix kind of chick. I'm not going to mix no bones about it. So normally something like this I would encapsulate with acrylic, and I'm not trying to do an acrylic video at 5:45 in the morning. It would stink up my house. My son would not be happy. So we're going to pour over. I may have to put a few, normally with glitter, rule of thumb is 2 layers of top coat to smooth it out, no bumps, no bruises. So we're going to pour this over, whoops. There's a lot of goodies coming out at me. So press it down on the nail. Take your finger and run along each side. Get all the big chunky pieces off. tap, tap. That is stunning. I'm going to press it down into the glue. Run my fingers along the side again. Press it back in one more time, and we're going to stick her in the lamp. In my mind, where's my glitter? This helps it adhere better into the glue. It helps it stick more. Stick better. Whatever you want to call it, it's what it does. So again, you can purchase this as of today of charliesnailart.co.uk. Again, it is called Moonlight. Please use my ambassador code, which is nailed10, all in caps. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen, and please check out my description box. That's where all the links and codes are always located. It is down below. I've got like Maniology, McCart, Charlie's Nail Art, BRC Nails, TipsXPieces.com, She Modern. Who else is down there? I can't even think, there's so many folks. But that's the idea, is to have a lot of codes so that your viewers can get the best products that they can. We're going to go in with iGel Beauty's top coat. This one specifically I use for glitters. That way I'm not contaminating my regular. Put a nice, thick, luscious, glossy top coat on the nail. At the end of it, look how beautiful this is. That is stunning. Just stunning. Whoops. So I'm going to pop this one in the lamp. Give her a full 60-second cure, and I am going to put another coat on off camera. Alrighty, we are back. Okay. Here is our nail for the 12th of December in the glitter called Moonlight. Let me get this up here next to it. This is a stunning, stunning glitter. I think this is so beautiful. 2 coats of top coat. It was so smooth with just the one, but I decided still to go with 2. And again, this is Moonlight, straight off the website from Charlie's, released today. That was day 12. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all future uploads, all giveaways, or important information that may be coming up on Just Nailed It. I appreciate your presence. If you are another YouTuber here and you subscribe, please let me know down in the comments. Shoot me a DM on Instagram and let me know. That way I can sub you back. I'd greatly appreciate it. We are trying to slowly grow our channel 1 subscriber at a time. We will see you tomorrow for the 13th day of December and see what Charlie has in store for us. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.